Welcome to your Mediterranean dream in Campoamor, Alicante. From up here, you can see just how close this exclusive new residential complex is to the stunning beaches and sparkling coastline. The perfect blend of sea, sun, and luxury living. The striking modern architecture and elegant apartment blocks are tastefully designed. The communal swimming pool shines in the sunlight, embraced by landscaped gardens. A space designed for comfort and enjoyment. Step into the heart of the community. Here, residents can enjoy the outdoor pool, children's area, and stylish patio spaces. Green pathways wind through the complex, offering the ideal setting for walking, sunbathing, or socializing with friends and family. Imagine stepping out onto your private balcony, breathing in the fresh Spanish air, and taking in uninterrupted views of the sea and surrounding nature. Your perfect escape, every single day. Inside, the open-plan living and kitchen area is flooded with natural light, showcasing elegant design and premium finishes. Every detail, from fixtures to fittings, reflects contemporary Mediterranean style and meticulous attention to quality. These apartments offer 2- or 3-bedroom layouts, thoughtfully designed for comfort and functionality. The bathrooms are beautifully styled, with high-quality materials and finishes that create a serene modern retreat. From sleek vanities to luxury fittings, every bathroom combines style with practicality, perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. Stay active in the fully equipped gym, designed to meet all your fitness needs without ever leaving the comfort of home. And when it's time to relax, the indoor spa and heated pool offer the ultimate in tranquility and wellness. The ground floor apartments come with private gardens, ideal for outdoor living and entertaining, while the surrounding community is beautifully landscaped, combining elegance with everyday practicality for the ultimate Mediterranean lifestyle. As evening falls, enjoy the soft glow of the sunset from your balcony, with panoramic views of the sea, creating a perfect backdrop for relaxation. By night, the complex takes on a magical atmosphere. Subtle lighting highlights the architecture and communal areas, making it a place to enjoy at any time of day. The illuminated pool invites a peaceful evening swim, a serene end to a perfect day in Campoamor. Don't miss your chance to own a brand new luxury apartment in this spectacular development. Choose from a 2-bedroom apartment at €284,000 or a 3-bedroom apartment at €350,000, both including your 1% Welcome Estates gift. Contact Welcome Estates today and start living the Mediterranean lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Your new home in Campoamor is waiting.